Immobiliser Fit. Today we've secured this 2019 RangeRover Sport with an insurance approved S5 tracking system to satisfy insurance. If someone copied the key, stole the vehicle, if it didn't see these tags, the tracking company would alert you saying someone's in the vehicle that's unauthorised. They'll go and locate, retrieve the vehicle if it was stolen. We've also fitted a Meta Immobiliser system, so if a thief copied the key, done a relay attack, obviously wouldn't have these tags, went to start the vehicle up, it's just not going to start up. As you see, the ignition swipes and then it's going to switch off, engine doesn't start, car's not going anywhere. This moment of silence gives you time to press this button if it was you. We won't do that. Horn and hazards are going to fire, so everyone around is going to know someone's in the vehicle. Just press the button on the tag, silences the system, and now it knows it's you. You'll get in the vehicle, press the button and start the car. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Meta tag-based immobiliser system with a insurance approved S5 tracker system to satisfy insurance. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.